Paysafecard to Skrill. In this video, we are going to learn how to transfer money from Paysafecard to Skrill. So let's get started. First, log into your Skrill account, then initiate deposit. Once logged in, navigate to deposit section. This is usually located in the main menu or dashboard. Select Paysafecard as your deposit method. Skrill Pay often supports Paysafecard deposits. Now, enter the amount of money you want to transfer from your Paysafecard to your Skrill account. In next step, authorize the transaction by following the on-screen instructions. This may involve entering your Paysafecard PIN and confirming the deposit. Then confirmation. After completing the transaction, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that the funds have been successfully transferred to your Skrill account. Check your Skrill balance. Once the transfer is complete, check your Skrill account balance to ensure that the funds have been added successfully. That's how you can transfer money from Paysafecard to Skrill.